Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and beautiful ideas of short style in undercut and shaved art. Very beautiful and latest collection of short style in undercut and shaved art with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art, some ideas in lines, some ideas circle and square, so beautiful collection of zigzag designs, and very beautiful ideas of twist designs, and very beautiful collection of haircut, Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and so attractive collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, and some ideas funky colors. So beautiful collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and many much more stylish ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish and very beautiful, and you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. And I request you, if you like these ideas, so please try it. And once again, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye bye.